Hi everyone, this is Malick at Neil Huffman Acura. Why shop with us? Well, simply because we have the best used cars in the market. Being a luxury dealership, we get the nicest trade-in. I'm talking about vehicles that were very well taken care of by people who love nice cars. Then they go to our 3-stage reconditioning process. Service does what they do. They make sure that the car is perfect. And by the way, if you buy a car from us, you'll get the next 6 oil changes free. 6 oil changes and 3 tire rotations in the first 3 years. Then they'll go to a full detail cleaning. I'm not talking about just a vacuum and clean and car wash. We're talking about a full detail cleaning. Then Car Care Express. This is a local company that works with us. They look for dents, scratches, curb wheels, and they'll make sure that the car looks as new as possible. Now again, why shop with us? Because we have the best used cars in the market. Come check us out. Thanks.